Hi Imagi coders! So it's funny, this happened again. My flatmates and I were about to have a games night, and then we figured that we have lost all our dices again. I, per usual, had my backpack with me, which has an imagiCharm hanging, and that's when I had a genius idea. What if I reprogrammed the imagiCharm so it becomes a dice? And that's exactly what I did. In order to turn the imagiCharm into a dice, I used the random module and the randin method, which can pick out a random number from the range that you define. In this case, I wanted it to pick a number between 1 and 6, so it would act like a real dice. And that is your challenge for day 15. It would be awesome to have all sorts of different dices, so the next time we have a game night with my friends, we can use a new dice. I did not win any of the games, but at least I could prove that coding can save the world.